I had some digestive problems a few months back where I was burping at the meals and I was having pain in my stomach and my chest. So here's a few things I did to remedy this and improve my digestion. First thing I did was take a digestive test. This allowed me to figure out if I needed enzymes or not. After taking the test, I realized I needed some enzymes. So now I take enzymes with every meal. In addition to that, I make sure I'm tracking my food so I can know what might be causing the problem. I make sure I drink proper filtered water. I don't use a microwave with my meals. I avoid the Furious Five, and I figured out that I figured out what's the right probiotic for me to use. And another thing I did was I made sure I don't eat after 8:30 because your digestion slows down, and I ensured I get to bed at a decent time. Now, the last two things I did was I slowed down my eating because I like to eat real fast. So I took my time to chew my food because that's the first step in good digestion. And the final thing I did was I started using hot water and ginger in the morning and at night. And this is just a few things I did to improve my digestion. Any of these things will help improve it, but all of these collectively will make a big difference in your digestion. Now, if you need help with your digestion, definitely contact me because I would love to take you through my 5-step assessment to figure out what's really going on and we can target how we can fix these things. Hope this helps. Have a great day.